The morning sun spills gently into the room, casting a warm glow that dances across the walls. It's a new day, and with it comes a fresh opportunity to embrace vitality and wellness. The world outside is waking up, and so too can we, with a simple yet transformative routine that takes just 15 minutes. Stretching in the morning is not just an act of physicality. It's a ritual that invites flexibility, reduces aches, and fills us with energy to conquer the day ahead. Imagine standing tall, your body aligned, and your spirit ready to stretch. You raise your arms high above your head, feeling the pull of gravity as you reach for the sky. This is the first step in your morning routine, a full body stretch. As you stand on your toes, elongating your spine, you hold this position for 10 seconds, breathing deeply, allowing your body to awaken. The stretch invigorates your muscles, and with each breath, you feel a sense of release, as if the night's rest is melting away. You repeat this 3 times, each time feeling more connected to your body and the space around you. Next, you move into a toe-touch stretch, standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly, you bend at the hips, reaching down toward your toes. It's a gentle descent, and as your fingers brush against your feet, you pause to hold the stretch. The sensation in your lower back and hamstrings is both intense and soothing. You breathe deeply, savoring the moment, before rising back up. The rhythm of your breath becomes a melody, guiding you through each movement. Now, it's time to release the tension in your neck and shoulders. Standing straight, you begin to rotate your shoulders forward, feeling the muscles loosen. 5 times forward, then 5 times backward, and you can almost hear the creaks and pops of your body waking up. You gently tilt your head to the left, holding the stretch for 10 seconds, then switch sides. This simple motion brings a wave of relaxation, washing over you like a gentle tide. Lying down for the cobra stretch, you place your palms on the floor beneath your shoulders. As you push up, your chest rises, and you feel an exhilarating stretch across your abdomen. The openness in your chest is liberating, and you hold this position for 20 seconds, breathing in the morning air, feeling the energy flow through you. Standing once more, you transition into a quad stretch. Grabbing your ankle, you pull your foot toward your glutes, feeling the stretch in your thigh. Balancing on one leg takes focus, but it's a beautiful challenge. You hold this pose, feeling the strength in your core as you stabilize, and then switch sides, embracing the balance and strength that each side offers. Moving on to the cat-cow stretch, you position yourself on all fours. As you arch your back up like a cat, you exhale, releasing any lingering tension. Then, as you dip your back down into the cow pose, you inhale deeply, allowing your body to flow between these 2 positions. It's a gentle dance, a rhythm that reminds you of the grace within your body. Next, you sit down for the seated forward bend. With your legs extended, you lean forward, reaching for your toes. The stretch is deep, and as you hold for 10 seconds, you feel a profound connection with your body. It's a moment to reflect, to appreciate the capabilities of your form, and to ground yourself in the present. The seated spinal twist follows, allowing you to explore the range of motion in your spine. You sit cross-legged, placing one hand behind you and the other on your opposite knee. As you twist, you feel the gentle release in your back, a reminder of the flexibility that comes with practice. Holding the twist for 10 seconds on each side, you savor the sensation of opening up. In the child's pose, you find a moment of deep relaxation. Kneeling, you extend your arms forward, resting your forehead on the mat. This position invites stillness, and as you breathe deeply, you can feel the tranquility enveloping you. It's a safe space, a moment to reflect on your intentions for the day ahead. Finally, you conclude your routine with a moment of stillness. Whether sitting or standing, you close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, then exhale slowly. This final stretch is not just physical. It's a mental reset, a way to align your thoughts with your body's newfound energy. You feel lighter, more centered, and ready to embrace whatever the day has in store. As you finish, a sense of accomplishment washes over you. You've dedicated just 15 minutes to your well-being, and the benefits are palpable. The routine has awakened your body, brought clarity to your mind, and filled you with a sense of purpose. You remind yourself to maintain this practice, to make it a part of your daily life, Because each stretch, each breath, is a step toward a healthier, more vibrant you. This morning, you've not only stretched your body, but also your spirit, reminding yourself that wellness is a journey, one that begins with small, intentional steps. As you rise to face the day, you carry this energy with you, ready to share it with the world. And as you go about your day, you'll remember this moment, this feeling, and the promise of renewal that each morning brings.